And finally, the commodity block of currencies. Here we pursue a strategy of buying of some of currencies against the United States dollar. As you can see, the Australian dollar, let's see the charts. It will be much easier to explain our opinion and our approach. The Australian dollar is appearing to test its longer term uptrend line around 0.76. That's why we will buy a possible undershooting of this level with a stop below 75.50. New Zealand dollar, we suggest to buy the pair at a possible undershooting of 71.90 level. Why? Because the moving average 200 daily line lies around 0.7182, and we still suggest while above this line the pair should be treated more or less positive. Anyway, daily closing below this line should accelerate the trend down. And dollar Canada, like some other commodity block of currencies, is also approaching its major barrier of a longer term downtrend around 31.90, and we suggest to sell a possible rebound, a possible test of this line with a stop loss above 72.20. We suggest that probably now the Canadian dollar is so weak because of the current United States protectionist measures against the country. Anyway, when the NAFTA negotiation finally ends, we suggest that the Canadian dollar will be back to its strength, because from a point of view of a monetary policy conducting by Bank of Canada, despite of the last speeches by Bank of Canada's governor Paulos, the last indicators, I mean domestic indicators, are pointing to a rather resilient Canadian economy, and sooner or later the Bank of Canada should be back to its policy of rising interest rates. And finally, the dollar Canada. Here we suggest that a lot will depend on the market opening and market reaction to the election results in Russia, but more or less we are rather neutral, and we still suggest that even the possible reshuffle of the Russian government should not lead to big fluctuations in the price of a ruble against the major currencies. We suggest that as regards the dollar Canada, the pair should remain in the range between 55 and 60, and only a firmer break outside of this range from technical point of view should lead to another portion of volatility in the pair. It was the Future Trend channel with you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.